In this video, I am going to show how to create new Android project using Android Studio. First open Android Studio and select create new project. Select empty activity and click next button. Enter your project name. Here you can enter your package name. I am enter my package name. You can enter any package name here. This package name used to update your project, your app to Google Play Store and other app stores. Enter my package name and you can choose language and choose Java. Here we can use select our location. Here we can select our SDK, minimum SDK level. I am select this default SDK and create click finish and create project. It is creating. Download some dependencies. We want to internet connection for create our project. We can here create our project. Okay, now project is created. I already created one device. If you want to connect your mobile phone, you can connect using a data cable and uh, select from here. Okay, after now my first default project is created. We can start our project using this play button. This is my emulator. Now we can see open our project successfully. This is default view of our Android app. Thank you for watching my video. If this video helpful for you, you can like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.